I'm Paul Busseys, CEO of Busseys. Family firm, started by my grandfather and my great uncle in 1923, so we're 102 years old this year. We've been a Ford main dealer since 1923. Now we present the whole of Norfolk for Ford, but we also now have BYD franchise and Ineos franchise and Peugeot after sales. So I worked very early on getting our processes to work in a proper way with a computer system rather than the computer system trying to fit manual work processes. That got me involved heavily with Keyloop. Very quickly I joined various panels and groups that consulted with Keyloop on the way to go forward.
So we work with Busseys in a very collaborative way. They give us lots of feedback on the solutions that we provide, and we liaise with them on a regular basis to make sure that what we're looking to develop in the future is also going to suit their requirements. I'm John Skinner, Senior Account Manager at Keyloop. I've been working with Busseys for the last 3 years. Busseys are always eager to adopt and embrace new technology that we provide them. They're eager to provide experience first to their customers, and they know by embracing the overall ecosystem that Keyloop provide, they'll be able to do that.
All the new products, or most of the new products that Keyloop have evolved, we've been involved in the piloting in some way, shape or form. The last 4 years, the direction change has been significant, and Keyloop have recognised that they need to leapfrog all the other DMSs and ways of working to ensure their future and the future of their dealer customers. And we've worked really closely on an increasingly close level with them, also in collaboration with the manufacturers, especially Ford, so that we get solutions that suit everybody, and that is becoming increasingly successful.
There's a number of products that we've helped test, which has either helped develop time-saving activities within vehicle to order, tracking within the DMS, or will it be service online bookings. So not only does it help us save time, it also helps the customer save time and gets to us quicker. So it makes it very, very easy for the customer to transact with us.
Over the years, the DMS has gained us efficiencies in all areas of the business, be it accounting, sales admin, the sales reporting, after sales, efficiencies, telephony, communication with the customers. It's all improved thanks to Keyloop and Drive.
It's a true partnership where both parties listen to each other. We enhance the product, not just for the sake of Busseys, but also for the dealer network too. I would highly recommend Keyloop.
The most valuable aspect of our relationship with Keyloop is trust. And that trust is intense. If I need something, I know that if I go to Keyloop, they will do their absolute best to listen, to consider it, and to deliver a solution for those needs. I would strongly recommend any business owner in the franchise world to invest in the DMS that can give you the best outcomes for both your staff and your customers and your profitability. And with Keyloop, you are getting the best product with the best development teams in the background. They are getting ahead of the curve in terms of future development, and they are definitely the partner to be with in the future.